Welcome to my advtech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows 11 PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are connected through a Wi-Fi but you are not able to access your internet, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Settings. Click on Settings. In left section you can see your system. Just click on the system. Come to the right section. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here troubleshoot. Just click on the troubleshoot. You can see here other troubleshooters. Just click on that. You can see here internet connection. Just click on that. In this you can see run option. Just click on the run, and you need to wait for some time. It will automatically detect and fix the issues. You can see here troubleshoot my connection to the internet. Just click on that. Guys, after completion of this, just close this window and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then come to the second option. You can see network and internet. Just click on that. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see advanced network setting. Just click on that. Guys, below you will find network reset. Just click on the network reset. You can see here, click on reset now. Click on yes. And close this window and check whether it is working or not. If not, then try the third option. Just click on the start menu, then type here cmd. Just right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you need to type some of the commands what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. You can see these are the commands. Just select one by one, copy, right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit and paste and hit enter. Copy the second command, copy, come to the command prompt window and paste it here. Copy the third command, right click and paste here. Copy the fourth command, paste here. Copy the fifth command, paste here. And copy the last command, right click, paste here and hit enter. Guys, after doing these settings, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Wi-Fi connected in your Windows 11 but no internet access. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.